A student asked me a really good question, and so I wanted to do a video on this. They asked me, they said, I've done all the chapter assignments, but where do I find them so that I can upload them? And that's a good question because Visual Studio isn't very informative about what it's doing. So what happens is when you build the assignment, when you build the project, whether it's a solution you've opened or it's a project you create on your own, as part of that build process, Visual Studio saves everything to the disk. The location depends. If you opened a solution, it should be that location that you opened it from. So in the case of your chapter exercises, it'd be like the VB9E chapter 1 color solution or whatever. Uh, in the case of a project you create, it's going to be in your user's sources repos directory by default unless you physically set it somewhere else. So um, the easiest way to find the location and submit everything that you're going to upload is if you have the project open in Visual Studio, you come up here to where it says solution, color solution, or whatever the name of the project is, and you right click on that. And you come down here and you'll see this open folder in File Explorer. So you click on that and it opens that folder up. And you can see that it was modified. Uh, in my case, I played around with it yesterday a little bit. So the way you submit this is you can come up here and click on chapter 1, or you can click the up arrow. Either way, go up one level. And then you click on each of the solutions that you want to submit. So you left click the first one, and then you hold your control key down and click the folders for all the solutions that you want to submit. And then you right click on them. And in my case, let's see if he'll do it right. Okay. I'm on Windows 11, so it might look a little different. Windows 11, you have this compressed to zip file, and in Windows 10, you have this down here where it says send to compressed zip file or folder. Either one will do the same thing. If you have, like I have WinRAR, or if you have WinZip, there's going to be options for that as well. But anyway, you choose this send to compressed to zip folder or compressed to zip file or whatever it is, whichever one you want to use. And it picks a random name out of all of them, and it names it that. And as you can see, it's highlighted, so then you just call it chapter 1. Okay, so that's the zipped up file containing all these solutions. Um, you can, it probably won't work for me because of the way it's my OneDrive. Uh, but you can get the actual address of it. Usually you're able to click right up here and it'll change this from this to the formal address, or you can right click on the zip file. And go to properties and highlight this name here, the location. Copy that. And then let me actually go, we'll do it this way. I'll go in the student view, that way you see it. Okay, so you come up here, you go to start assignment and click your upload file, click to choose file, And in here, paste that location. It's going to open that up and click on your zip file, open it, and then submit the assignment. So it didn't show it, but you should be getting like little balloons and confetti and stuff like that. Uh, but that's how you do it. So if there's any questions, don't hesitate to email me. I'll be more than happy to walk you through it. I'll do another quick video or whatever. So anyways, have a great day.